Okay, so this is how you find the simplifying square roots. Okay, what a square root means, it's asking you what number times itself equals the number on the inside. Sometimes these things are not perfect roots. So what we had to do is figure prime factorization, meaning you break it down to its prime numbers, and you bring things out in pairs. Okay, so if we can bring things out of the root in pairs, and anything that cannot be brought out as a pair stays in the root. Okay, so 108. 108 breaks down to 9 and 12. 9 breaks down into 3 and 3. 12 breaks down into 3 and 4. Finally, 4 breaks down into 2 and 2. So this is what prime factorization means. It means that if I took 3 times 3 times 3, I don't use this 4 because it's got things branching off of it, times 2 times 2, I should get 108. Now, things have to go out in pairs, meaning they have to be the same. So here's one pair of 2's. Okay? Here's one pair of 3's. You have this last 3 that has nothing to go with. It is by itself, so it goes back home underneath the roots. 3 has no one to go with. These two 3's come out as a single 3. Okay? Okay, so they come out as a single 3. The reason is because it's thinking like, okay, so if you come up with something like this, square root of 9. The square root of 9 is just 3 because it's 3 times 3 equals 9, meaning only a single one comes out. So these come out as a single 3. And they multiply the 2 that comes out as a single 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, square root 3. And that is a simplified form of a root. 360, the same idea. If I break this down into 36 and 10. Okay, 36 breaks down into 6 and 6. Both 6's break down into 3 and 2. This 10 breaks down into 5 and 2. And now I can't break these down anymore because 3 times 1 is not anything new. So it's 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. We have one pair of 3's. And we have one pair of 2's. So what I have left over is a 2 and a 5. So the 3's come out as one single 3. The 2's come out as one single 2. And the 5 and the 2 go back under the roots. So 3 times 2 gives you 6. And then this 5 and 2, since they went back into the root, they multiply to give you 10. And that's how you simplify roots.